Miss Sassa's Wonder Class, where learning is fun.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Miss Shasya's Wonder Class. I'm Miss Shasya. Let's learn pets together. Are you ready? Say yes! Look! This is a dog. Say dog. This is a cat. Can you say cat? This is a fish. Say fish. This is a rabbit. Say rabbit. This is a bird. Say bird. And the last one. This is a turtle. Say turtle. Good job. Let's say them again. Dog, cat, fish, rabbit, bird, turtle. Well done. Now let's use the pets to make simple sentences. Can you repeat the sentence after me? All right. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is a fish. This is a rabbit. This is a bird. And this is a turtle. Well done, everyone. Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Let's go! Yes, no question. If the answer is yes, say, yes, it is. If the answer is no, say, no, it isn't. Are you ready? Let's go to question number 1. Is this a cat? Yes, it is. Good job. Is this a fish? No, it isn't. It's a dog. Is it a turtle? No, it isn't. It is a fish. Is it a rabbit? Yes, it is. Is it a bird? Yes, it is. Is it a dog? No, it isn't. It's a turtle. Let's go to the next. What animal is it? You will listen 3 clues about the animal before you guess. It has a hard shell. It walks very slowly. It can hide inside its shell. What animal is it? Yes, it's a turtle. It has 4 legs. It barks. It loves bones. What animal is it? Yeah, it's a dog. It has long ears. It eats carrots. It hops. What animal is it? Yes, it's a rabbit. It has 4 legs. It loves to chase mice. It says meow. What animal is it? It's a cat. Good job. It has wings. It can fly. It builds a nest in a tree. What animal is it? Correct. It's a bird. It has fins. It swims all day. It lives in the water. What animal is it? Yeah, it's a fish. Good job. Well done, everyone. Great job today. Let's review all the pets together. Say them with me. Dog, cat, fish, rabbit, bird, turtle. Well done, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.